Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the fast and easy steps to register for a Cash App Bitcoin wallet. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or looking to enhance your financial tools, Cash App makes it simple to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin. Let's dive into the step-by-step registration process. Step 1. Download the Cash App. First, you need to download the Cash App. You can find it on the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Install the app on your smartphone. Step 2. Create an account. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on Sign Up. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address. Choose your preferred method and follow the instructions to receive a confirmation code. Step 3. Verify your identity. After entering the confirmation code, Cash App will ask you to provide some personal information. This may include your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure to enter accurate information as it's essential for account verification and security. Step 4. Link your bank account. Next, you will need to link your bank account. Tap on the bank icon and follow the prompts to link your checking or savings account. You can also add a debit card if you prefer. This step is crucial for buying and selling Bitcoin. Step 5. Enable Bitcoin features. Once your bank account is linked, tap on the Bitcoin icon on the home screen. Cash App may require you to accept terms and conditions for using Bitcoin features. Read through these carefully and accept. You may also need to enable the Bitcoin feature in your account settings. Step 6. Buy Bitcoin. Now that your account is set up, you can buy Bitcoin. Go back to the Bitcoin section and select Buy. Choose the amount you wish to purchase and confirm the transaction. Your Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App wallet. Step 7. Secure your wallet. It's important to secure your Bitcoin wallet. Enable security features such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your account from unauthorized access. You can do this in the account settings. That's it. You are now registered for a Cash App Bitcoin wallet and ready to start managing your cryptocurrency. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful content. Thank you for watching and happy trading.